Today, I am here with you to celebrate one of the most important days for translators, that is International Translation Day. 30th September has been recognized by United Nations in 2017 as International Translation Day. Before I explain you the importance of International Translation Day, how it originated, how it is being celebrated, and how it is being received across the globe, I would like to request you to please do subscribe to our channel, click the bell button to receive latest updates, and do share and comment about the videos that we make. This will help us in improving our quality of delivery and reaching out to more people. Already we have reached subscriber base of 12,000 approximately. I would like to give you a special thanks for that and hope that together we will create more better environment of learning among each other. So now back to International Translation Day. This day is celebrated as a feast day of a saint whose name is Saint Jerome. Saint Jerome was born in Roman Empire in the year 347 in the month of March. And he died on 30th September 420 AD. Saint Jerome was a saint as well as a translator and a scholar who is one of the most celebrated scholars of his time for the fact that he translated Bible into Latin directly from Hebrew. His attempt was a successful attempt, and it took quite a good number of years to translate that Bible. He started his journey of translation of Bible in 382 AD and finished translating in 405 AD. So imagine the number of years that he devoted in translating Bible, and later on continued doing commentaries about morality, Christianity, values, etc., and remained very active as a scholar. So when in 1953 International Federation of Translators was established, they started promoting 30th September as International Translation Day, which slowly gained momentum and become very popular across the globe, especially among translation associations as well as translators. In 2017, United Nations recognized 30th September as International Day of Translators and Translation. Since then, this particular day has become more important as celebrations take place across the globe at various levels. At some point, people devote more on scholarly discussions. At some points, people discuss more about translation processes. At some point, people discuss more about Bible translation. And in India or in Asia, it has its own celebration day and process. In India, at our office in Delhi, Indian Translators Association celebrated its day with its colleagues and some of the close network of friends and scholars who came and discussed and had a cup of tea together. Similarly, in Vietnam, this particular day was celebrated with more pomp and show because the CEO of a translation agency named Expert Trans has been organizing International Translation Day since some years, and slowly it has gained more importance for the fact that people from different regions of Asia reach Vietnam, Hanoi, and participate in that particular international conference that he organizes on 30th September. Asian Association of Translation Industry, to which I am also one of the part as Secretary General, was represented by its founding president called Professor Manirath, who represented Association of Translation Industry of Asia in the conference in Vietnam, and shared her vision of bringing prosperity for translators across Asia. And she also appealed to all translators across Asian region to join hands and contribute towards a common cause and betterment of translators in the region. Apart from all these important activities that took place, there were some lighter moments as well in the event through music and dance. So let's see the dance part, the lighter part of the event also, which will give you a glimpse of the beauty of celebration of International Translation Day in Asia. Thanks for watching, and do remain in touch with us. Hope to see you again in next video. Do subscribe and share.